okay? Is my audio okay in this setup? No headphones, screencasting? Good? Okay, cool. Alright. So now in the chat pod, can you tell me what picture you took off? Tell me what picture you took off. What did you take? Banana? Flower? What is it? If you don't have a picture yet, you have to go get one now. A headset upside down. Ooh, that's creative, honey. Banana. That's great. Who else? Banana. You can't find anything. I'm pretty sure you have a bowl at home or a glass. Come on now. Banana, soda. Oh, yeah, soda. Wait, how does a soda can become a parabola? George, did you crush it or what? I can't imagine how you're gonna put it though. Well, how do I get a picture, like from where? Okay, guys. Again, you have to go around your house and find a picture of a shape that looks like a parabola. Like, see what your classmates are saying in the chat right now? So find something that's similar to that. George, how does your soda can look like a parabola? Looks like a cylinder, but does it have like a curved part, like a like a U shape? Okay, well, it's up to you. I don't know how you're gonna turn that into a parabola, but if you can, why not? So Valerie, did you understand what we're doing? Kaylee, are you still lost, honey? So go around your house. Okay, go around. You have to take the picture with your Chromebook. Water bottle. How can a water bottle look like a parabola? You guys are over creative. I can't imagine how you're gonna put it. It has to be a U shape. That looks like a straight shape, not a U. Yes, you can use a banana. The top is the top of a water bottle. Oh, if you go, yeah, upside down. Okay, okay, you figure that out. You got it. Okay, let's get started. Go to Schoology. Go to Schoology. Click on this quadratic project right here. Okay, are we following along? Okay, if you get lost in the middle of the instructions, you're gonna be lost. So follow along, guys. You have nieces and nephews right there. Just tell them to watch you do stuff on the computer. Or make them watch, I don't know, Coco Melon or something. Alright, click on this document right here. 8.5 Quadratics project. 8.5 Quadratics project. Now tell me once you've opened it. Tell me once you've opened it. It's in your Schoology. Huh? Refresh your browser. You opened it. Good job, Kevin. It's yeah, refresh your browser. It should be here on the right side. See, it says Quadratics project. Open. Very good. Okay. I see that, but not the document. Refresh your browser. Yeah. Refresh your browser. Maybe it just didn't show up the first time. Same. Okay, if you don't see the document, you know what? I'm just gonna send it right here. But I'm pretty sure if you refresh your browser, it's gonna pop up. And then do it again. Yeah. You might see the Quadratic project, but not the document. Here you go. Here's the document. Yeah, because they didn't publish it in the first one that was there earlier. So that's why refresh your browser. So it will load the newest version. Yep. Okay. Alright. So you put your name right here. If you've opened the document, you put your name right here and then the title. So the title will be the object that you took a picture of. So if it's a banana, you put banana. If it's a bowl, put bowl. If it's flower, put flower. Do we make a copy of our own? Yes. Yes. So you don't so you don't all edit on the same page. Yep. Make a copy of your own. You go to file and then make a copy. Okay. So it's supposed to be a selfie, but I figured you wouldn't want to put yourself in the picture, right? So I just asked you to take a picture of the object. Okay. Now let's edit this document right here. Okay, can you please double click on this one and just take that out? Because I started with a parabola selfie and nobody wanted to do it, so I'm like, huh. Okay. Alright, so just double click on that one and edit that out. Into my... Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Yep, Giovanni, that's fine. You know what? Next time just text me. You have me in Remind, right? Yeah, text me and then I'll call you. So yeah, so just tell me then that's the best time to call. Okay. Thank you, honey. Alright, so did you edit the title? Okay, and then here, instead of selfie, just put picture. If nobody wanted to include themselves in the picture yesterday, I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna force anybody to do it. Got tired of convincing people. My computer is being really slow. I don't think it's only yours, honey. Like I saw people coming in and out, of the Zoom. Yeah, I think there's really system stuff going on. Okay, what time? I don't want to bother you early in the morning. Oh yeah, I'm not a morning person. Afternoon would be great, even if it's like late night, like I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you can bug me anytime at night, but not in the morning. I'm not a morning person. Thank you. Yep. Anything after lunch is good. Okay. All right. Okay. I just want to know you followed the first two steps. Number one, you took a picture. Number two, you opened the document and you took out the word selfie in the title. You double click on this one, you take out the title selfie, and then you change the word selfie here to picture. Did you get all that? Yes or no? Did you get all that? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. What about the others? You have to answer when I ask you because I don't know whether I can move on or not. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what about the others? If no, then you tell me no. But if I don't hear anything, then, I mean, what am I gonna do? Yep. You gotta give me feedback. You could say, can you do it again? Can you show that again? Otherwise, I mean, okay. So now we're gonna insert your picture. Yep, you're gonna insert the picture. How? You go to insert right here. Insert, image. You have to upload from your computer. Insert, image. You have to upload from your computer. Okay, and I'm gonna upload mine right here. You see that? Okay, do that. You got it? When you're done, you see what it says right here? Explain what is your parabola and where you found it. So just write here. So type here. either on top or at the bottom, wherever you can type. It says, what is your parabola and where you found it? Okay, do it now. Hi everyone, so right now I just showed you how to insert the picture, and what you're doing right now, it's supposed to be typing what your parabola is and where you found it. That's what you should be doing over here. If you have any questions, let me know, because I don't know what step you're on. If you just joined right now, you have to find a picture, an object at your household of something that looks like a parabola, like a U-shaped object. You take the picture with your Chromebook, so you can upload the picture from your drive or from your computer. Okay, does anybody have questions so far? Does anybody have questions so far? I need more time. Okay, that's fine. Keep going. While the others are still catching up, please sign in if you haven't. Sign in. Giovanni, please sign in over here, honey. Can you access this document? Christian, you haven't signed in. Samuel Barola's not here. I just called him. Jacob, what's up, Jacob? Good morning. Can you sign in for me, honey? Daniel's not here. Leah, are you here? Is it alphabetically arranged or not? Leah, if you can hear me, can you please sign in? I don't see you in the list alphabetical, so can you sign in for me? Hi, Linda. Good morning. Can you sign in for me, honey? In this document? Kimberly. Hello, Kimberly. You mind signing in if you can? Okay, so what are we doing right now? I just showed your classmates how to insert the picture, and after inserting the picture, they're writing something about what their parabola is, what they took a picture of, and where they found it. So that's what they're typing right now. And while I'm waiting for them, while I'm giving them more time, I'm just making sure that you guys sign in. Joshua. Hi, Joshua. Joshua, can you sign in for me, honey? Esme. Hello, Esmeralda. If you can, honey, can you sign in for me? What do we do after we insert the picture again? You gotta do your write-up. Yep, you know, in the same box. The instructions are on the left side. You see them here? Yeah, it says explain what is your parabola and where you found it. Does that make sense? You see here, like you have the picture and then you type either above or below it. Did you get that? Okay, okay. Nice. Augustine. I wonder if we're allowed to like visit homes, because I'm not getting any text or phone from people I'm calling. You know? I should get like a buddy counselor so we could just, hey, I need to talk with you. How do you do the decimals part? We're gonna get there, honey. I'm just making sure everybody finishes up. Okay, can we give them one more minute, Brandon? Excuse me. Okay, if you're ready, though, go ahead and click on the link so you can open it. Yeah, I just want to make sure everybody does the same step. Otherwise, I'm going to keep repeating it. Okay. Hey, this project, if you're following the steps, you're done when we're done, you know? So, yep, make sure you're following along, or you're just giving yourself more homework. Yep. Okay, here we go. So click on the link for the Desmos right here. Click on the Desmos link. Okay, if you're in Desmos already, let me know. Type Desmos or something. You don't see your name. Hi, Joshua. Oh, Joshua, at the bottom, you see like period 1, period 3, period 4. You click on period 4, honey. Yeah, you click on the tab. Yes. Uh-huh. See, when you work, when you're like after high school or college, you work, you need this skills, man. Come on. I sign in for Desmos. You have to like make reports, you know? Okay. I sign in for Desmos. Yeah, log in with your LAUSD. Mm-hmm. But you can do that later on. You don't have to do it right now so you don't get lost. But if you think you're if you're gonna get distracted and you want to save your changes, you have to log in. Yes. Okay. Desmos now. Are we in Desmos? Thank you, Juliet, for letting me know. You have to click on the plus sign. Okay, not yet. Alright. Yes, in Desmos. No. Okay, so go to Desmos by clicking on the link in the document. It's right here. Just click on that. And then it will take you to the link right here. Mm-hmm. If you want to save your changes, if you think you might get distracted and you need to continue later on, you just click on log in with your Google. Log in with Google. So it's automatically your LAUSD. Well, I'm assuming you're only logging through LAUSD in your device. I'm gonna move on. Okay, here we go. You're gonna click on the plus sign. I can't find it. Which one? Which one can't you find? Can you be more specific, please? The Desmos? It's right here. Are you in the document, honey? You see here, it says Desmos, and then you click on the blue one. Right there. Now, did you find it? You click on the blue one, and then you click on this one, and then it's going to show in another tab. Okay, can you update me? Got it? Okay, cool. Alright, now, look for the plus sign on the upper left. Plus sign on the upper left. Okay, click on that, and click on image. Is everybody getting it? Click on the plus sign, click on image, and then you're going to find that picture again that's saved in your computer, and open it in Desmos. Okay, can you do it and update me? You got it? Okay, you click on the plus sign, you click on image, and then you find the picture that you took off earlier, that you took off the object, and then you open it. Okay. Now, click. Okay, watch my screen first. Click on the object. You will see circles around it and in the middle. Okay? You have to click on this circle in the middle. Yeah? And then click it and drag the picture. So it's entirely in the first quadrant. And you have to match the beginning of your picture with 0. What? Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Did you get that? So drag it, move it. Yep. And line up the picture such that one end is at 0. Okay, how do you know whether you like to the 0? You know, it can be like super perfect. But see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to line up one end of the object at 0 and the other end at 6. That's what I'm doing. So maybe line yours up with, I don't know, 8, 4. I don't know how big your object will be. Yeah. But line it up such that it's going to go with whole numbers. If it's not possible, then just round it off, you know? Just keep moving it. Yep. Or maybe resize it. Is it possible to resize it? Yeah. Okay, so resize it if it doesn't match with your points. Okay. All right. Are we good? Okay, are we good? Good? Okay. Now we're going to add points. What points are we going to add? You're going to add the points that you have right here. I'm trying to put the picture. Okay, go do it. It's on top of the cabinet. Ask Daddy for help. I'm busy. You got it? Okay. So now we're going to label these points right here. Now, what do you call these points? Okay. Now, on the plus sign again. On the plus sign. No, never mind. Don't click on the plus sign anymore. We can just label it here. Sorry. Okay. So now we're going to put this point right here. Alright. My first point and your first point must be 0, 0. If you don't have 0, 0, you put the picture wrong. Excuse me. Where can I find Desmos again? Look, it's right here, honey. If you are in the document, everything is there. So you click on the Desmos and then you click on this one. You got it? You got it? Let me know. So you have to take the picture on your phone. You don't have to take the picture. Okay. So you have to take the picture on your phone. No, you can take the picture with your Chromebook. In fact, I said if you take a picture of the if you take a picture using your Chromebook, it's easier. Where did you take the picture? What did you use to take the picture, honey? Is it phone or Chromebook? Can you tell me so I know what I'm answering? What did you use? Chrome. Good, good. So that's it. So the picture is in your Chromebook. Yeah. So you go to. Wait. Okay. The link doesn't work for me. Okay, I'm gonna send the link to Desmos over here in the chat pod. That's the link. Okay, so going back to your question, you click on the plus side, honey. I saved it as file in Google and I didn't save it in downloads. I save it as file in Google. Okay, it could be here. Click on the plus sign. You go to image. I don't know where you save it from, but yeah, if it's in Google, then you have to download it because yeah, it should be like in the Chrome, in the computer. Uh-huh. Okay, I had another question earlier. Did the link to Desmos work? Okay, cool. Alright, so I gotta move on, right? We gotta move on. Okay, here we go. So you put the point 0, 0, you click on label, okay, and then you type the word root. Root. Excuse me. And then you put 0, 0 again. So what am I trying to put here? So I'm telling you, it's like letting your reader know that one root of your quadratic is 0, 0. So what do we mean by root? Root is just another fancy name for x-intercept. Yup, x-intercept. So 0, 0. Okay, did you finish that portion? Because you have to repeat it in the other roots. And what is the other root? I don't know where your picture ended, but where your picture ended, that's another root. Okay, so I gotta do it again for my picture, and I'm expecting that you guys are doing that also on your picture. So label, I have to label it with root again. What's my other root? It's 6, 0. Okay. Oh, why did it go there? It's gonna be 6. There. Okay, do it. I'm having trouble pasting the photo. Yeah, you don't paste the picture, honey. Okay, look at my screen. Yeah, look at my screen. You click on the plus sign. It's not like a simple copy and paste. You have to click on the plus sign and then image. If the picture is on your PC, it should work. Like it's in my laptop also, so it should work. Where did you save the picture? Go find it. Is it in your Dropbox? Is it in your desktop? Is it in your, I don't know, like maybe you downloaded it, so go to downloads. And then if you find it, just click on it. Just click on it. You found it? Oh, thank God. Okay. How do I put the root? Okay, again, can you watch, please? Okay, so I'll delete mine. Yeah? You click on any box. Do I put 6 like you? Well, whatever your object stops at. Yeah. So don't copy my 6. I'm just showing you how to do it, but you can type your own number. Okay, so like I do 6 comma 0 because that's where my point ends at, and then I click on this box right here. Are you looking? And then now you're gonna type the label like root and then 6 comma 0. Done. Okay, do it. Okay, are you done? Okay, now you're gonna keep labeling other stuff like vertex. Let's do the vertex. Where can you find your vertex? Your vertex must be like what's in the middle of your roots. Your vertex must be like what's in the middle of your roots. So mine is from 0 to 6, so halfway through is 3, right? So figure that out for your object. So mine is 3. And then what's the y value there at 3? Oh, that's like 4, 5, so minus 4.5. Okay, so that's going to be my vertex. 3 comma 4.5. Okay, go find yours. Where's your vertex? Yeah, don't copy my vertex. Like, yes, like mine is halfway. So it's half of the root. So where's the middle of your roots? Yeah. How did you do the label? How did you do the label? Okay, Louise, look it. I'm gonna do it again. But now I'm gonna do the vertex. So you put the point. Like mine is 3 comma 4.5. I don't know what your roots are, honey. So you have to, and then you click on the label right here. You click on the label and then you type it in what you want to name it with. So vertex, and then I'm 4.5. There. Did you get it? Okay. Questions? If you guys are not asking questions, I'm assuming you're getting everything like right. I'll be surprised if you guys are not turning in a project at the end of the period. Okay, we're almost done. Next, axis. We're going to do the axis of symmetry. For your axis, you go x is equal to, and then whatever the x number, you're not done. Okay, if you are done, yeah, we're doing the same thing. You're labeling stuff. So x is equal to, now you use the x number of your vertex. Uh-huh. So you will have a line passing through the vertex. You see that? So x is equal to whatever your vertex is. Yeah, that's all you need to type. You don't have to worry about this. Just put x is equal to 3. I mean, that's mine. So in yours, just put x equal to something. Uh-huh. Okay, are you done? Now take a screenshot of your work with all these stuff, and you're gonna paste it again on your document. See, I took a picture of that whole thing with all the labels and stuff like that, and I'm gonna put it right here where it says decimals. There. You don't have to worry about your... How do we find the axis again? You're gonna type in x equal to, then whatever your vertex is, whatever your x number for the vertex. Excuse me. Did you get that? Alright, so you're gonna take a screenshot of all this from decimals, and you're gonna put them right here. See that? It shows right there nicely on your document. Okay, we're good. How do you do that? You take a screenshot of this, and then once you took a screenshot, if you're using a Chromebook, it's gonna say copy to clipboard right here. How do you screenshot this? Wait, are you in the Chromebook? Are you in the Chromebook? Okay, if you're not in the Chromebook, you do Control Shift. You hold those two, Control Shift, and then there's like a little bar above number 6. So Control Shift and then press the one above 6 all at the same time. And then on the lower right, it will say something like copy to clipboard, something like that. You click on that. Yeah, Control Shift, the thing above 6, your Chromebook will gray out because it will ask you to like draw around the box, draw a box around the thing you want to copy. You guys are crazy. You play video games, but you don't know how to screenshot on a computer? You probably have a more advanced phone than I do. Come on. Okay. So Control Shift, you press the little box above number 6 at the same time. Your Chromebook will turn like grayish, and then you have to like draw a box. How do you paste it? Just press Control V. Control V. Did you click copy to click clipboard? If you didn't, it's not gonna paste. Yep. Like when you drew a box around it, something pops up at the bottom of your Chromebook. It says copy to clipboard. You should have clicked on that and then Control V when you go to the document. Okay. We're almost done. Let's go. Come on. Control paste. Control V. Got it. Nice. See? You can forget all the math, but don't forget all the computer skills you learned. My gosh. You didn't get mine? And do it again, honey. Like you go, are you in the Chromebook? You could do Control, Shift, press the one above 6. Yep. Okay, we're gonna go back to decimals. Here we go. Back to decimals. For the vertex, it says you cannot have no more than 2 coordinates. Yeah, mine is a decimal. That's not 3, that's only 2. 3 and then 4.5. Yep. Why can't you label it? Only 2 points. You only need 2 points. See, mine is 3, comma, 4.5. That's not like 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is hard. Really? How many hours you spend learning a new phone? This is hard. I'm even like doing it with you. Come on, honey. I know it's hard, but you gotta try. It won't let me label it. Did you click on the box? Did you click in the box? You have to click on the box and this is where you're gonna type it. Uh-huh. You have to type in these and then you have to click on the box. Yes, I did. Maybe, uh, it's okay, honey. Yes, I'm gonna show you again, honey. Can you look? Okay, let me delete this one. So I put like the number, which is in the middle, right? Where the topmost is. So 3, comma, and then 4.5. And then this whole thing, this thingy majingy like came up before it wasn't there. I just click on it. And then I just type vertex 3, comma, 4.5. Did it work? If it didn't work, oh, that doesn't come up. This one doesn't come up. I think you're putting something extra right here. Do you want me to? Oh, yeah. Okay. How about you share your screen later on, and then we'll fix it. Okay. So I can move everybody on. Okay. So what are we doing now? We're after pasting the image. I'm gonna leave this for you. How do you do this? It says describe. So what do you do? Like you can just say the vertex is, the axis is. You can do that on your own. Can't you? If you say no, I'm gonna cry. Like we just have to say something about the parabola. Like it's concavity, it's going up or down, something like that. We did that before, right? Can you describe it? Like in English, you write sentences. Can I leave that with you? Okay, so I can teach you with this one. All right. So let's do the vertex form. How do we do the vertex form? We're gonna do here at the bottom of decimals. Let's make another box. So the formula we're going to use, you're gonna say equals y equals. Are you typing? A parentheses x minus h parentheses, and then you have to put the square. You have to put the square. Are you in decimals, honey? Okay, again, I'm gonna start again. Okay, in decimals, go to the last box. Go to the last box. You type exactly the same thing I type. You're not supposed to be thinking of anything else. Just copy what I type. Y equals. Are you there? Did you type y equals? Okay, parentheses. I'm sorry, A, and then parentheses, x minus h, parentheses. You gotta put the square, caret 2. You gotta put the square, caret 2. Or there's like a keyboard at the bottom. You can use that keyboard to type the square. Okay, so what does this h represent? Your h represent the first number in your vertex. So in my picture, the first number of my vertex is 3. So I'm going to change the h to 3. So do it. Do it. Okay, did you get that? Next, you put plus, plus. Okay, now we're going to put a letter K, but the letter K is the second number of your vertex. So the second number of my vertex is 4.5. You have to find yours. Don't copy my 3 and 4.5. Uh-huh. Okay, are you done? Do you see a slide? It says add slider and then letter A here. How do I put the 2 like that? There's a keyboard at the bottom of your thing. There's a keyboard at the bottom of your decimals, right? It says show keypad and then you click on that and then you put the power. Or George used the caret. Uh-huh. Thank you. Okay, so now, if you're done with that, you're going to click on the add slider, click on A. Click on A. Did you click on A? Excuse me. Did you click on A? Okay, good. So now you see your parabola here is going up, right? Did something come up in your picture, but it's facing upward? Okay, now you have to match that new parabola with your drawing or with your picture. So how do you do that? You move this little thingy here. You move it until your new parabola matches your drawing. Just keep moving it left, right, until it matches it. Until it lands on all the points that you plotted. You see that? Excuse me. Okay, keep moving it until it matches it. Did you get that? Yes, no? Yes? Cool. Okay, so now you are going to take a new screenshot. Mine is upside down, so it won't work. What do you mean? Just keep moving this one. Like this. Yeah, it should match. It's not like a perfect match, but you know, it doesn't reach it. If it doesn't reach it, okay, what can I do with that if it doesn't reach it? Okay, look here. Look here. You can see the 10, right? Do you need it to be like wider? Then change the 10 to like -20. You put -20 to like +20 if it doesn't reach it, if it's wider. So then it will make it even more wider for you. Did you get that? Did you get that? You click on the number right here, so it will let you make it even more wider. Or much wider. Wait, what am I going now? I'm -0.5. Okay. Alright, so now you have to take a new screenshot of your parabola. Yep, with this new graph right here. So take a screenshot again with your new, okay, with that new graph. There you go. Then you paste it right here, vertex form. Okay, and then at the bottom, you're going to type in the equation. Where can you find the equation? It's right here. You could just copy this one. You see this? You see what I'm copying right now? After you paste the picture, just copy this, Control C, and you could just Control V in it right there. Oh, it doesn't type it like that. Okay, again. Go back to Desmos and just take a screenshot of that equation because it doesn't want to copy the equation nicely. So take a screenshot of this. You see what I'm doing? I'm taking a screenshot of my equation. Okay, so there. And it's gonna turn out nicely. How do you turn it in? Well, you still have to describe the transformation, honey. So you can't turn it in like that. And remember, you have to like say your sentences over here. Yep. Okay, so how do you do the transformation? Okay, so if it's, yep, do you remember what the -3 means? So the -3 means the parabola moved 3 to the right. I don't know what your number is. Mine is 3. So the parabola is a horizontal translation. Why? Because we move it to the first quadrant. 3 to the right. I don't know what your 3 is, so you have to change the number. Okay, that's the 3, and then my 4.5 is going up, positive. So vertical. So just follow my script and change your numbers. Vertical translation 4.5 upward. Okay. And vertical, okay, shrink. Why am I saying mine is a shrink? Because my A value, remember my A value was 0.5. Negative 0.5. I don't know what your A value is when you moved it. I don't know what your A value is when you moved it. So mine is negative 0.5, and I have to write that down. And a vertical shrink because A equals negative 0.5. I had to say that. Okay, so I don't know what your A is. You have to say what your A is. If your A is bigger than 1, don't write shrink. It has to be a stretch. Did you get that? If your A is bigger than 1, you say vertical stretch in the script. But if your A is smaller than 1, if it's a decimal, then you're going to say vertical shrink. All right. Okay, so when you're done with that, just finish your sentences over here and you're ready to submit. How do you submit? You go back to the assignment where you opened the document from and click submit. But if you opened it from the link in the chat pod, then you have to upload it manually. So I don't know what you did. Did you open it directly from the assignment or did you open it from the chat? If you open it from the chat, you have to turn it in manually. Okay, you see here, like in the assignment where it was from, it should give you the option somewhere here to submit. I don't know where because I don't know how it looks like in a student Chrome Schoology, but doesn't it give you like the option to submit? Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the only boxes that you have to fill up. After that, you're done with the project. What do you have to do last part? This one? Excuse me. So you have to say horizontal translation and then how many times it moved to your right. Mine was 3 because my X here was 3. You see that, the 3? And then vertical translation, mine was 4.5. You have to find yours. And then the vertical shrink, mine is a vertical shrink because my A value was 0.5. But if yours was more than 1, you have to say vertical stretch. Okay. So then your last part, the only thing you have to do on your own is this one. You have to describe your graph. I put the keywords in there. I put the keywords in there. So, whew, that was challenging. See? It wasn't the decimals or thing that was challenging. Yep, it was challenging. Where everybody is, and I don't know, what to help you with. Okay, so I hope you guys were able to follow along. Are you submitting it now? How do I find out my vertical translation again? Right here in your numbers. The number right here, that's your vertical translation. Is that it? Did you do this? Did you do this, George? If you did it, then that's it. Submit it. You're done. Woohoo! Good job. Okay, but see, you have to paste a link of your project to the Padlet. Do you know how to do that? See, there's like a link to the Padlet here. You see this link right here? In the assignment portion? Control C. I'm going to send it on Remind. Brandon, do you want to try uploading it to the homework so it will be automatically, so I can grade it there in Schoology? I mean, it's up to you. Whatever works. Yeah, whatever works. Yeah, if none works, then yes, do it in Remind. It only shows yours. Okay. It shows mine because you saved the document in your drive. So maybe you did not open it from the assignment. maybe you open it from the chat earlier. Is that what you did? Is that what you did? Did you open it in the chat? Yeah, and made a copy. Okay, then it has to be in your drive. Yes. So how do you do that? You go to the assignment and then say submit assignment, and then you submit it from your drive. Do you know how to do that? If you don't know how to do that, yeah, just send it to me via Remind. I don't want you to lose your project, but it should be in your drive. Yeah. But if you click on the assignment again from the very beginning and it has an option of submit assignment, then you can submit it through there. Okay, hey guys, here's the link to your Padlet. Did you get it? You will go to this Padlet and then you click on the plus sign right here on the lower right. Do you follow? Do you see this plus sign right here? Click on the plus sign. There you go. Oh, where's the thingy? Okay, and then scroll down and it will, yes. If you log in, it will automatically say your name on top. If it doesn't, then just write your name for the title. Yep. Did you get that? Click on the plus sign, find the box that popped up for you. If it shows your name, good. If it doesn't, you have to write down your name in the title. Okay, and then just say something like, I took a picture of a banana for my parabola project. And then send the link to your project over here. Upload it or, yep. I still can't get the line. The line or the curve? There's two different stuff there. The line or the curve? Okay, can you show me your screen? What do I put for the key features? Kevin, the keywords are on the left-hand side, honey. Where you type in your answer, I put the keywords on the left-hand side. Can you follow those words for me? So basically, you're just writing something about the graph. Nice one, Juliet. I can see yours already. Oh, but you have to give me axis. You have to give me an axis. It's still how? You go to your document and then you click on this share button here. Button, and then you click on the share button and then make sure you change it so that anybody with the link can view. They can't edit it, just view it. Then click on done. It's still a blank page for me. Which one, honey, is a blank page? Which one? Which one is a blank page? How about now? Okay, I'm gonna try. Still. What else can we do? How about you click on share? Then, okay, why is it not popping up for me? Yeah, because it may be locked with, oh no. Oh no, it froze for me. Like, just look at the possible options. So like share anyone with the link, something like that. Or maybe like remove the LAUSD thingy. Because right now the default is LAUSD access only. So maybe take that portion out. How do I get out of this? It's froze. Okay, so you go to share, and then you did it? Oh, okay. Yeah, you change it to, instead of LAUSD, anyone with a link. Yeah, something like that. Uh-huh. Did you do that? Okay. Let me see. Let me try. Yay! It's showing me now. See, it's opening now. Nice one, honey. Wow! I'm happy to see your work. That's so awesome. That's so cool. Honey, the space is too big for this one. You want to crop this one out? You click on the picture and then you crop out this extra thingy-majingy so we can show the graph. Can you do that? Because I can't edit your work. So you click on the picture and then you say crop, find crop from the thingy. And then, yeah, you take these out. Nice one, guys. Okay. Alright, so, yep. Click on the plus sign to upload your work. Okay, we're over time now. We're gonna go. I have a homeroom at 11:30. Yep.